How to fix Brawl Stars sound problem. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Open your settings, tap on apps, search for Brawl Stars, then on permissions, allow all the permissions required. Then go back, tap on storage, then if you have cache and also clear data. Then go to Play Store, search for Brawl Stars, and if instead of play button there is update button, update it to its latest version. Sometimes it might be just server problem and it will fix on its own. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any queries, hit them down in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next one.